my favorite time, FabFitFun. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back and filming. A couple of weeks, just going on vacation, taking some time to relax and and then I got back from vacation and I had to get ready for work. So I am back now and I'm trying to get my filming area set up so I can do more videos for you guys. So today's gonna be a quick one. It's gonna be my FabFitFun unboxing. I'm so excited. Can you believe I actually waited a whole week post vacation to not open the box because I wanted to open it with you guys. It's my favorite time, FabFitFun. So this is the FabFitFun spring box. Came out the first week of April, so last week, and I'll just kind of open it so it'll be easier to get to, but I'm dropping everything. But it comes with a magazine. Venus Williams is featured on this one, and it kind of breaks down all of what's in the box, and it also comes with a fresh coupon if you want to try fresh. Fresh is a subscription for food, and it gets delivered to your house. Never tried it, but it comes in each box. So this is the box, and I'm gonna be going through each item with you guys. So I'm excited. It's been so long that I kind of forgot what was in the box anyway. I know. So just have like an editor's note, breakdown of what's in each box, and this month's box is valued for $226 to $314, depending on selections of what you choose to get. So I'll link the other video of my fall box that I received. I did a video on that, so I'm not gonna go in depth of what FabFitFun is. It's just a subscription box. You pay $50 every season, so you get 4 boxes a year, or you can get 5 if you pay some other VIP price. I just have the 4 seasons, and I like that because for the amount of products that I'm getting, we're $300 and I'm only paying $50, and that's every like 4 months. So let's get ready and dive into the spring box. I'm just gonna open it here. So this is the box. Kind of see all the products in here. This side, and here's the first item, and this is looks like a blanket or something. Yes, it's another beach towel. It actually kind of looks like the one I got last spring. Now let's open it and see. So the one I got last spring is really big. I actually just took it on vacation with me, and this one looks like the same one, but that's okay. Can never have enough towels or enough beach towels. I can always give it to, yeah. So this is the beach towel. Really nice color. It's really big too, so if I open it out, you guys can see it is really long. Like this. This is it folded in half. So you can see it's really big, really nice color, really soft, not too thick. So I guess I have another beach towel. So the next item we have is a Detox massaging brush. I like that because this is going to be for like smoothing and softening. So whenever I exfoliate my skin, this is going to come in really handy. Or if you're using a bathtub or something, yeah, you can use it dry or wet, scrub and repeat. So yeah, I am excited about that one. Let's see. Go ahead and open that up. So this is what it looks like. Comes with a little strap, and then you can just use it dry or wet. That feels so good. Oh, it smells good too. Yeah, that's a nice one. I like that. And this is valued at, so I'd like to tell you the value because this is usually about 18 bucks. Yeah, looking forward to this. I do not have a body brush. Next item we have is, how do you pronounce this? Quay shui. I do not know. But this is their leave-in conditioner. I have one of their sample sizes, and I actually took it on vacation, but I didn't get to use it. So I'm gonna try this one and see. These are usually $25, so I know this is an expensive brand. So this is why I like these boxes. We get to try stuff. So, and next we have Dr. Brandt's Depuffing Gel. No more baggage. Supposed to be like I think a concealer type thing. I'm not sure how it's gonna work on my skin. So let's see. So this is what it looks like. No more baggage. You're supposed to like comes out. So it's like a corrector. As you can see, comes out orange. Maybe not bad. But when you rub it out, it no longer looks orange. You can see there. Oh, not bad. Maybe I will like this. I will try to I'm wondering if it's like a eye gel. Oh yeah, it's like an eye cream. I mean, all skin types. After your moisturizer, just put a tiny amount between your fingers and pat it under if you have bags and dark circles. Use alone or on the makeup. So I'll hold on to this. I don't really think I have bags, but so anyway, I'll hold on to this and try it. I really like that it goes on clear after it was orange, so that's good. And I'll never turn down skincare. Next up, we have, ooh, this is a big one. This is a champagne charcoal scrub. Now this is gonna go perfect with the brush. So this is a, let's see. It's a body scrub formulated with charcoal to remove dirt and buildup, leaving the skin polished, hydrated, and refreshed. Add it to your body, massage it into the skin, and rinse it off. Oh yeah, I am happy about this. And this is a big bottle. This is gonna last me a while. Let's just open it up and see what it looks like. So as you can see, it looks like a charcoal. Oh, and it smells amazing. It smells like bubblegum or some type of candy. I'm looking forward to this one. And this body scrub is usually $24. I'm not sure where you can find it, if it's at, the brand is Relax. I'm not sure what the brand is. But yeah, this is a pretty big bottle and it goes perfect with that brush. So I'm happy about that. Next up, I think these are the sunglasses. Ooh, I'm excited. So it comes in this pouch. I think it's Quay. I mean, it has a Q. I would think it's Quay. Yeah, I think it's Quay. So these are the Quay sunglasses. I'm so excited. These are gonna be my most expensive sunglasses. So yeah, I'm super hyped about this. Let me get this thing off of here. Try these bad boys on. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, can't talk to me now. Look at that. Oh my god. These are $55 to $60, guys. Like, I'm gonna treasure these. I'm gonna take care of these. I love these. Oh yeah. So I gotta protect these at all costs. So let me go ahead and put these back in the case. And it's such a nice case. It's like a leather case. So yeah, my favorite from this. Moving on. a necklace. This is my second piece of jewelry so far out of FabFitFun. I think it's a nice way because I really don't buy like necklaces and stuff like that. So here it is. Really nice. It's like a glittery thing inside of it. And this is by Two Bandits, and this is about 30 bucks. Like, I would not go to a store and buy that, so I'm excited about that. And I like that it's simple, so this is probably one I can wear every day. I can wear it to work. I like that. There you have it. So this is the robe. It's the Show Me Your Moo robe. And they said it, I think they said it's one size fit all up to like size 18. So yeah, we'll see right now. I'm gonna try it on for you guys and see if it actually fits. I'm gonna be very disappointed if it doesn't. So nice material. I actually thought it was more silky, if it was gonna be more like material that's silky, but it's not. So yeah, I'll be right back when I try this on. Here it is. It actually fits. Let's just move the camera down so you guys can see. It's really nice. It gets to about above my knees. Actually fits. It's a real stretchy material actually. It's not bad. I like it. Not bad at all. So I think that was everything. I think I covered everything. So I'm just gonna come back and give you guys my final thoughts on the spring FabFitFun box. So here are my final views. I really actually love this box. Minus having or gotten a second beach towel, which I get it. It's spring. If I decide to do trips and stuff during the summer, it's gonna come in handy, and I can probably either keep one that I don't really use and give to someone to use when they come to visit, or you can never have enough. So other than this that I got twice, I really love this brush, and I'm looking forward to using this brush when I take baths or just shower, or whenever I want to do a full body exfoliate. And I love that they actually gave the scrub with this box. That way you can kind of use them together. The leave-in conditioner, I can do without it. I mean, I have my natural hair products that I use and I like to use, but I'll try it, and if it feel like it doesn't do anything for me, then I can always re-gift it to someone else. Glasses, I'm excited about these. Like I said, don't own any expensive sunglasses, so this one will be only for special occasions. And then the robe, as you can see, I still have it on. I love the color. I like a short robe or really light robe, because when you take a shower, you're getting ready for something, you don't really want to put on a really thick one. Like I have another one from like Victoria's Secret. It's more thick. During the fall I was using it a lot. The rest of spring and summer, when you're just getting ready and you're like, let me put on a robe to put on my makeup or something. So I love the material. It's really stretchy. I'm really happy that it fit. I was really worried about it fitting, because I'm thinking, okay, you know, one size fit all doesn't always work out. So I really like the robe. I think I went over everything. Oh, and the no more baggage. We'll see. I'll try this on the days where, like, for example, I don't wear makeup to work, so I can probably see if I have dark spots that morning or something. I'll just put this on when I moisturize to see if it makes any difference, and then I'll try it a couple times with makeup to see if it kind of help with the concealer that you're wearing. So overall, I really like the spring box. I get excited for these boxes, and I can't wait for the next one. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye.